From coastal glaciers to Denali's wilderness, journey through Alaska by rail paired with a remote luxury retreat. Travel along Turnagain Arm to Whittier for a cruise of Prince William Sound, then enjoy a scenic ride back on board Alaska Railroad's Glacier Discovery Train. Fly over the Kenai Peninsula to Stillpoint Lodge on the shores of Kachemak Bay, and unwind with spa treatments, chef-prepared Alaskan cuisine, and guided wilderness excursions. Back in Anchorage, board the Alaska Railroad to Denali and travel through untouched backcountry, making a stop in Talkeetna for an unforgettable glacier flight-seeing experience. Personalize your time in Denali with a self-guided Jeep excursion, tundra wilderness tour, or flight seeing above the Alaska Range before continuing by rail to Fairbanks. This is Alaska by Rail, where coastal glaciers, remote wilderness, and Denali's vast landscapes become part of the journey. Ready to board? Let's design your dream Alaska rail vacation together. Subscribe for more ideas and start planning today.